chest. Bam. Halligan.
Lay down on your bellies! Hey, lay down! Get something to cover that porthole with the shield, so they don't throw shit back at us. We throw it right back through the hole.
Ready?
Watch yourself with this.
Yep, I got it.
Lay down on your bellies!
Lay down on your bellies. Put your hands behind your heads. On your belly!
I see it.
Alright, so
Lay on your bellies and put your hands behind your back. Behind your back.
Guys, there's a mattress.
Lay on your bellies.
Looks like 2 of those gray chairs, 3 of those gray chairs here. And something blue right here blocking the door.
One of them tables.
Here. Shield.
Lay on your bellies. Cross your legs. Put your hands behind your back. Lay on your bellies.
if you make any aggressive maneuver, you will be hit with an impact munition. You stay on the ground, on your bellies, with your hands on the back of your head. Hands on the back of your head.
Door open.
Lay down. Put your hands behind your head. Stay laying down. Do not make any movements. Stay laying down.
Alright, again, one at a time, under control. Take your time, watch your step.
Stay laying down.
Try to stay together, guys.
Do not make no move. Stay laying down.
Hey, Sarge, 2107, entry into the ER room.
Over there. Can we clear an area where we can lay him down? We're going to lay over here. Over here? Okay.
Hey, step away from the